How's my hair look? Come here, biggie boy. Like 7 a.m. or something. We're over here at the yellow gas pump because we got a big day ahead of us. We're fueling up for a good day. It's gonna be on the dyno. So we're either gonna cry or we're gonna be really happy by the end of today. Only time will tell. And the dyno. What's for fucking breakfast? We're fueled up and we got all our fluids checked. I think we're good to go. Just warming up the car on the way to the appointment. Sorry, girl. I shouldn't be abusing you. Back to the program. The ho shit program. I'm fucking pumped. This is the most excited I've been at 9 a.m. in the morning. Aaron, why did you put bucket seats in the back of the car? That's ridiculous. They're not even gonna get used. Bullshit. Look at that. This might be a tease. She is fabulous. This is us. I'm just chilling here. I'm in the customer queue waiting. Oh yeah. I know who the shop owner is. They're handing over money. Fucking sick. Love it. Holy shit. Slight status update. Car's getting torn down. It's not gonna work, but it might work. Bumper had to come off because we like to be low. Ready for me? Want to do another third here? Okay, all right, 1 second. I'm in first. Third now. 1 sec. I'm gonna get it to 25. Any guesses? Any guesses? Where did we land on the wheel horsepower?
If you go by what this is, it's 329 and we were 330 the last time.
Oh yeah. Brother couldn't be here, so I gotta. He's working, so I'm out here living the dream for us. All right, I'll get up to fourth and $3 grand, and I'll let you know. All right, here we go. Fucking hell, dude. I was not expecting that number. Holy shit. My brother's gonna be stoked. Successful day. We're still in one piece. She's still alive. I just got done on the dyno. Torque is in the 3s. That's fucking great. In 3rd and 4th gear. And horsepower is 430 at the crank and 350 at the fucking wheels. I'm pretty fucking happy about all that. I'm pretty fucking happy about all of that. I'm pretty fucking happy. It was really fucking good, to be honest. To hit those numbers, I'm so hyped. I'm gonna be chasing I'm chasing 5 at the crank now. Like, you gotta go for broke. Is it time to go get some kill shots? The guys at the dyno shop were super cool. Eric's a really fucking awesome guy. I went to the shop next door. Well, actually, they came over because they heard the car going batshit on the dyno, wondering what the fuck was going on. Yeah, everybody had a really good morning. Boys were just fucking stoked for me. It was like an emotional high. Yeah, what do we even do from here?
right, for everybody that needs to have printout proof, here we are. Car's 2974 these days, and at the wheel we've got 336 horsepower with a weather correction factor down to 327, torque 292, and then a correction at 284, and then at the crank 428, and then the torque 379.